Welcome to SME Accounting Module tutorial. In this video, we will guide you through the process of creating a quotation, transforming it into a sales order, and subsequently generating a delivery and invoice. Let's start with creating a quotation. Navigate to the Quotation module. Click on New Quotation. Fill in the customer details, including name, address, and contact information. Add the products or services you intend to offer, specifying quantities, prices, and descriptions. You can also include discounts, taxes, and any additional charges. Once complete, review the quotation total and click Place Quotation. You can then send the quotation to the customer for approval. Once the customer approves the quotation, you can convert it into a sales order. Locate the approved quotation in the system. Review the information on the sales order. You can make changes if necessary. Confirm the sales order to proceed by clicking on Place Order. After the sales order is confirmed, you can create a delivery document. Review the information on the Delivery tab. Confirm the delivery order to proceed by clicking on Process Dispatch. The final step is to generate an invoice based on the delivered goods. Go to the Invoice module. Review the invoice details, including customer information, products, quantities, prices, and taxes. Make any necessary adjustments. Confirm the invoice to proceed by clicking on Process Invoice. You can now send the invoice to the customer for payment. Credit notes are issued to rectify errors in invoices, account for returned goods, or adjust the invoice amount for other reasons. Navigate to the Credit Note module. Specify the reason for the credit note, e.g., returned goods, price adjustment, overpayment. Detail the items or amounts to be credited, including quantities, prices, and taxes. The system will automatically adjust the outstanding balance of the original invoice to reflect the credit amount.